Why my Samsung AC is not cooling properly. Easy fix explained. Your Samsung AC may not be cooling properly due to a clogged air filter, obstructed airflow to the indoor or outdoor unit, or incorrect thermostat settings. Other reasons include a room that is too large for the AC's capacity, low refrigerant levels, or electrical issues like a weak voltage supply or a tripped circuit breaker. Simple checks to perform. Check thermostat settings. Ensure the AC is set to cool mode and the temperature is set to a low, cool temperature. Clean the air filter. A dirty, clogged filter can significantly reduce cooling efficiency. Clean the filter using a vacuum cleaner or by washing it with soap and water, then drying it completely. Clear obstructions. Make sure there are no objects blocking the airflow to the indoor unit's vents or the outdoor unit. Ensure room is properly sealed. Close all doors and windows to prevent cool air from escaping. Verify voltage. Use a voltage stabilizer if the input voltage is too low, below 180 volts, as this can prevent the AC from working correctly. When to call a technician. Refrigerant leak. If you suspect a refrigerant leak, which can cause ice buildup on the unit, a technician can add more coolant and check for leaks. Electrical problems. A frequently tripping circuit breaker, faulty wiring, or a failing compressor can require professional diagnosis and repair. Sensor or communication issues. For split systems, error codes like A001 or A003 may indicate a faulty sensor or communication problem that needs expert attention.